CVS haul. So CVS, not as good of deals this week as at Walgreens. Walgreens has a few better moneymakers, and if you got any of those boosters, then it's gonna make for some really great deals. So stay tuned for my Walgreens haul video. Hopefully I'll be able to get there by Wednesday. So for CVS, I only have a few in front of me here because the deals that I wanted to do, I had a ton of issues. They have a new self-checkout. So I asked them about it. They said, no, try it with the coupons and the CRTs. It'll be fine. You know, it should be super easy, so on and so forth. So my fault for trying it. Let me know in the comments if you guys tried the self-checkout, if you guys have it at your stores, and if there's a trick to it, because oh my gosh, the issues. It wouldn't take normal coupons. Then the CRTs, it wouldn't take any CRTs. It wouldn't take the extra bucks. The manager had to sit there and constantly swipe her card and need help and need assistance. And so I had to void my second transaction and leave because it was taking so long and I had family coming over. So that's why there's not many things in front of me, but I did videotape everything in store. So check out the in-store videos.
Maybelline this week is on sale. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck, limit of one. Gonna pick up two of these eyeshadows. They are $4.19 each in my store. Use the $2 off Maybelline CRT that printed for me today, and one of these $1 off one eyeliner or shadow product that we got from the 10/20 Retail Me Not. Okay, Almay this week is on sale. Spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. Best deal is to buy two of these quad eyeshadows. They are $7.29 at my store. Bunch of different colors you can choose from. Then you're gonna use this $5 off Almay cosmetic CRT that we got last Sunday at the Red Box. And you're going to use two of these Almay eye product coupons from the 10/6 Smart Source. Suave Professionals, there's quite a few different varieties now. I'm gonna try this rose oil. They're on sale 2 for $6. You're gonna use this 2 off of 2 coupon. That makes it 2 for $4. Buy two, get a $2 extra buck. So you're gonna pay just $1 each. Not a bad deal for some Suave Professionals. L'Oreal Elvive is on sale 2 for $8. Buy two, get a $3 extra buck. So you're gonna pick up one shampoo, one conditioner. Make sure you send to card the 50-cent shampoo app only coupon and the 50-cent conditioner app only coupon. You're gonna use the 3 off of 2 from the 10/20 Retail Me Not. So that makes for a really great deal. They'll be about $1 for 2 or 50 cents each, I believe. I'll put the math here in a second. Nivea is on sale again this week. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck. My store is out of these smaller versions. The best deal is to get two of these. They are $4.99 for the 8.4 ounce. Use two of these $2 off one coupons. You're gonna pay, so the total is going to be $9.98. Take off $4. Total is going to be $5.98. Get back a $5 extra buck. Makes it 98 cents for two, or just 49 cents each, which is a really good deal for some lotion. Garnier facial care is on sale. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So I'm gonna pick up two of these purifying oil-free towelettes and cleansing towelettes. They are $6.79. Everyone got this coupon. It's a $3 off Garnier facial care CRT. Then you're gonna use a $2 off Garnier Skin Active product that we got in today's inserts, the 10/20 inserts. There's also a digital coupon that you can use, or one that you can print from coupons.com. So a lot of different areas that you can get the coupons. Makes for a really good deal.
Okay, so some really good makeup deals, some good deals on some paper products, things like that. So those are all the deals that I did. If I find any different ones, Nivea, again, I wasn't able to take care of that or take advantage of that one. because they didn't have the smaller ones in store, and that's the better deal to grab those 8.4 ounce bottles. So if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.